Hello guys, welcome to this new blog. Today I am going to show you about my experience that I had during my recent visit to Northeast. Bizu is the main festival of the Chakma Tribe. The Chakma people are found in the northeastern states of Tripura, Mizoram, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh and also in Bangladesh and Myanmar. In the month of April, when I traveled to Northeast, I traveled to Assam, Nagaland and also Arunachal Pradesh. And in this blog, I am going to show you about the cultural programs that I witnessed in the Arunachal Pradesh. The Chakma people are Buddhist by religion, and during Bizu festival, Chakmas everywhere organize events to showcase their cultural and heritage to other people. Here the girl is welcoming in traditional dress which is called Pinond and Hadi.
My name is Chakma and I am from Dayun Forestinary, and today I am also going to sing a song and the name is Didol Lage Buntu Mare.
Dena 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 mona zure dena. Tai eche muyo malu durutun echo iyo jajaji jebete tai bakune haida ko bola boldu ja pari enjoy koribo juju ugule di bolo matu hela ton polhara iyo jine bormagi mu tore fanfara Azizana disone balo turo disone disone bane talo Azizana disone balo turo disone disone bane talo patru turu beko dole मुझे बोले वो she likes my momo तू बस बोल भी दे तो तुम्हें भी लाडू she likes my momo hey hey तू बस बोल रोज तुझे मैं खिला दूँ she likes my momo hey तू बस बोल भी दे तो तुम्हें भी लाडू she likes my momo hey hey तू बस बोल रोज तुझे मैं खिला दूँ looks मेरा Asian.
After enjoying lot of dance and singing competitions from different groups of different tribes from different areas, we got to witness finally a fashion show. These are the jury members of the fashion competition.
Sexy cruise dunia, damai seni memang. Lafik seperti motor whisky. So sexy cruise dunia, damai seni memang. Lafik seperti motor whisky. So sexy cruise dunia, damai seni memang. Lafik seperti
So we got to see four major activities: singing competition, dancing competition, fashion show, and live orchestra for the cultural nights. And these are the winners from singing and dancing competitions receiving prizes. Hello guys, नया फ्रेंड्स मिला है, सब्सक्राइबर मिला है बिजू फेस्टिवल में। चकमा कैसे?
So we are from Dayun Center. So हम लोग को आज मिला है भैया को इधर में, देसी लवर भैया को। देसी लवर सब्सक्राइब।
देखो भाई, देखो हम तो हीरो बन गए इधर। हाँ देखो, फोटोग्राफी भी चल रहा है साथ साथ।